So here's the issue with matched pairs versus two sample t-test. Okay, so two sample t-test is just that. You want to have two independent samples. Hold on. Two sample t would equal two independent samples. Okay, matched pair is the idea that my two samples are not independent. And usually you're going to do something like they're both going to get the same treatment, or they were twins and I separated them into twin A does one treatment and then twin B does the other treatment, and so I can subtract the results from each other. Okay, but they're not independent. So if you read number 6, it says there are two common methods for measuring. Do the two methods differ? You apply both methods to a random sample of 18 carp. So that's telling you that the fish are both going to do the same treatment. Now, the other thing to keep in mind, because they start talking about this for proportions, if we're measuring concentration, then the statistic we're going to measure is an average, and that would be a mean. So we're going to have sample averages, and we're going to subtract, we'll actually be subtracting the results and creating an average of those results. So in that case, it's going to turn out to be the paired t-test, because our measurements are not proportions. These are not two independent samples. Again, it's not proportions, and since A does qualify, E is not an option. So hopefully that answers about that being two sample. We can also take a look at number 7 scenario. In number 7 scenario, you can see they surveyed men and they surveyed women, two different groups. Again, they're asking them about their road rage, and they're going to measure it on this scale, which tells me they're going to be interested in means rather than proportions. And then you go ahead and read 7, and they start talking about are men more prone to rage than women? And so, again, you're looking for a situation where, since it's two samples, I'm interested in the average for the men being greater than the average for the woman. And so that one should also be A in that scenario. So anyway, that is the, hopefully that answers your question. Let me know if you have more questions. All right, bye.